What's up guys, please excuse how terrible I look. I'm just here to do an intro to this vlog because I never do intros to vlogs, which is really annoying for when I start to edit because I never have an intro. So anyway, I'm about to start editing this and I want you guys to have an intro to what's going on. So in this video, I was going to my college to have orientation. So that's literally what it is, and I explained a little bit more on my community post. Actually I didn't, but I figured I'd explain it here. Anyway, I didn't film that much, but I did film when we were on the road and we hit some major traffic jam and it was pretty bad. And then I filmed a little bit in the hotel and then a little bit on the road home, I think. I don't remember. But whatever the last thing is, please just, I don't know, there's probably not going to be an outro because I didn't film an outro. I don't really do intros and outros that well with vlogs, so yeah. Whatever lies ahead, enjoy.
Sign that you see, there's a reason why Gene Bailey,
what is he doing?
Next door neighbors, you know, options and the great options. This grief came from Dan Fouts, am I not right?
Well, some of my way of thinking definitely come from there. So that's why if there's any, issues going forward, I can say, hey, look, we have permission.
Oh gosh.
What?
No, they're coming. No. Go.
It's fine. She can go.
Yeah. Oh, those poor semi-trucks. They don't have a choice.
Don't hit the people. You want to look up what?
We're turning around going back. Somebody died. They're not letting anybody through.
Yes,
We're going back to the next exit.
Yeah. We have to all turn around.
I don't know.
Don't even know.
They said
whatever gets us off first.
Tell them everybody's turning around though.
Yeah.
What do you want me to do with this? Find out what this exit is and how we're gonna get back. They're making everybody turn around because they're not gonna let anybody through.
Somebody died.
I don't know. That's the problem, unfortunately.
These people don't even know.
No, they just don't.
Well, they're watching us go around, so go back. So
They're going to be starting to question before too long.
Yeah, they will. Tell whoever we can. We have to turn around.
We have to turn around.
Turn around. Yeah.
They're making everybody turn around.
What?
They're making everyone turn around.
we're turning.
Understand. We have to turn around.
Making everybody turn around.
They're making everybody turn around because they're not gonna let anybody through.
So he's like, come on, keep going, man.
He ain't turning that around.
I don't think so. Did you just get a
There it is right here. Emergency.
It's saying that there's a closure on this road.
Well, I hope nobody else is turning around.
I'm sure.
Are you going to that website, Regan? Why are we stopped?
Because that's how it works.
An emergency alert. Did you get it? must have let this entire lane out.
Well, they should be starting from the back. Because,
Yeah, we'll go quicker that way, won't it?
yeah, because you won't have people trying to sneak
said he
in.
could do it if he had a big wide berth.
I would be impressed.
Well, the bigger the car, the better the driver.
Some of these people are going to sit until the very last.
They're not gonna think that it's a good idea to go back.
Yeah, there are some people that they'll just sit there. Like old people that don't have nothing to lose.
Reagan, you didn't have to notice the gray hair of those two.
That was me.
Yeah. That says mile
whoa,
47.
Leave that alone, Reagan. Hey, Reagan!
Mile 47.
What are you doing? Jeez.
Noticing your gray hair, Dad.
Stop.
Oh, I don't think there's any hair there to notice.
What's that thing there? What is that?
Safety implements, Dad.
Improvements.
Kind of asphalt.
Ask them what this does.
It's like a ripoff.
Ask them what this machine does.
Would you? If I told you to ask them, you'd be like, you ask them, you wanna know. Dad, there are only so many people that you can text in 3 hours.
Oh, you're wrong about that. It doesn't like me.
Did you think I was biting you?
Yes. That was a problem there.
Don't lick it. Expensive camera lens.
That's
What
a
was that?
very unflattering angle.
What was that?
That's a very unflattering angle, Erica.
You did that. That's what you did.
I know.
Why?
Just happened.
What's happening again?
I'm not doing anything.
What? Deleting some emails, Dad? Are you emailing people now?
Stop! Quit talking! Get over here working. Oh wow, that's big.
The new world record.
What is it?
It's an Alabama Longhorn, or a Texas Longhorn in Alabama.
How does he hold his head up?
I don't know.
You could put so many buckets of water on there. But then you'd break his neck, so. Yeah. It's already got enough struggles in life.
You need to come out here and finish this. Which one? The vlog. The vlog. I do vlogs all the time. Huh? Well, you asked why I came out here. It's pretty. Stop. So, we're back at the hotel. Well, we're to the hotel. And it's 11:30 p.m. I'm in the lobby with my sister because she came out here and my parents are sleeping. And that was a really long day. So I was showing as we were starting to get out of the pileup, but I didn't actually show it because I was reading a book and I was into it. we were stuck at the pileup for about 3.5 hours. I looked up the story of the crash, and apparently a 5-year-old girl died, and she was with her 2 siblings and her 2 parents. They were all taken to the hospital, and I don't know the rest of their conditions, but it was really bad.
You need any help? Come on.
So it was really bad. And we sat there for, like I said, 3 hours. And then eventually we were all like on the highway, and we had divided, both of the lanes divided to make a path in the middle for the ambulances. There were 5 ambulances, 4 fire trucks, 3 cop cars, 2 tow trucks, and a coroner for the body. So we split the lanes to make path for all of those things, and we sat there for 3 hours. So eventually people started getting out of the cars, and they were just all like mingling and stuff. And me and my sister got out with Budgie, and me and my sister went and peed in the woods because we had to pee so bad, and we weren't going to be moving anytime soon. And eventually people just start, like the cops at the accident, they started telling people to turn around. So what we did was we just literally turned around and went backwards on the highway up in the middle of the lanes. So we all just that's how we got out, and we went backwards on the highway and out somewhere, and after that we went and got pizza, and now we're here. It was terribly frustrating. I honestly, driving with my family is super stressful. Budgie, stop. It's your reflection. He keeps barking at his reflection whenever he sees it. Budgie. So, driving with my family was really stressful because when my sister was giving directions, it was okay, because my sister would be giving directions to my mom, or when my sister was driving, my mom would be giving directions to my sister. But on our way back from the pizza place to the hotel, my dad started giving the directions, and all I know is that my mom and dad were screaming at each other, and so I was just sitting in the back seat, plugging my ears with my headphones in, drowning it all out, because I didn't want to hear it, because yelling just stresses me out like crazy. So, but anyway, here we are. That's the story of the day. We were in the car probably, let me see, we left around 10, and we got here at 10. Well, no, we got here at 11. So we were in the car roughly 12 hours. I know that's 10 to 10, so that's, or 10 to 11, so that's 13 hours, but we stopped for food and to go to the bathroom a few times. So taking like an hour out of our trip, we were on the road about 12 hours. And that, it usually takes about half of that, if not less than half of that, to get to Philly from our house. So that's kind of ridiculous. But that's what happened. And I feel really bad about that crash. And I don't know, like I said, I don't know about the other people, but I know that 5-year-old girl died, and that's just really sad. So we sat in line because some people wrecked their cars and one of them died. So basically, I'm really tired, so I'm gonna go to sleep, and tomorrow I have my orientation, so hopefully that won't be too long of a day, even though I'm pretty sure it will be. And then hopefully our drive home won't be quite as hard. So yeah. Good night. Hello, Becky. So it's morning now. We're getting ready to leave. My family's at breakfast. Thought I heard them coming in. And we're getting ready to leave. I don't know how today's going to go. I don't know if I'll film at my college or not. Probably not. I don't know though. So, if next time I see you is on the road, see you on the road. Baby Cubby, are you ready? Are you ready to go meet our new family? Yeah? Yeah, baby. Let's go, babe.